group of family members was strolling around when they caught two lions fighting. They didn't expect the lions to hit their car. It was reported that their car was damaged and has to be taken to a repair shop. In this CCTV footage, it was captured that a leopard is taking a stroll in a school in India. Be careful when you are near the lake. The fish was probably used as bait. A lost elephant. The panicked elephant immediately attacked the farmer. Luckily, the farmer was able to quickly flee and hide due to quick detection. If you are in the middle of the sea and encounter a sea snake, you better not touch it. Otherwise, you will die from its poison. In Africa, these people managed to catch a crocodile that was disturbing the peace of the residents. And then there is this mother.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
A cow escaped from its pen and went berserk around the neighborhood, damaging fences and chasing nearby residents.